All right, step one, tofu in the bowl. Step two, a little bit of cornstarch. Just kind of lightly toss to coat. All right, in a nice hot pan, we're gonna throw in our tofu. And we're just gonna get a little bit brown. Saute it until it's nice and crispy and golden brown. All right, onto the veggies. A little sesame oil. First, we're gonna throw in our aromatics. We've got some ginger and some garlic. And we like it spicy, right? So let's throw in a couple of chili peppers. And finally, a little bit of onion. All right, now into the veggies. A little broccoli, peppers, carrots, mushrooms, a little bit of sugar snap peas, give it a toss. And let that saute for a couple minutes until it gets just a little bit of color. All right, while that's sauteing, we're gonna make a really quick sauce. Soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, a little bit of mirin, yummy. Oyster sauce, and then a little bit of water. Finally, we're just gonna add a little pinch of cornstarch just to thicken our sauce when we throw it in there. All right, good to go. Now we're gonna throw it back in our tofu. All right, now let's throw in our sauce. Give it a little swirl. And that's gonna come together really quick. Let's go ahead and plate, guys. We've got some farro. Y'all can use rice or quinoa, whatever y'all want. And then, let's get that stir fry. Don't forget the sauce. It's got nice and thick from that juicing.